Hi everyone, you are welcome in the second lecture of Unit 3 from our text Headway. Now, the practice number 4, role play. Work with your partner, يعني تحتاج العمل الجماعي. One of you is Lisa Parsons. Ask and answer a question. هنا بهذا التمرين نلعب دور اللي هو الشخص اللي نتكلم عنه وهو ليزا and one of you is role play as Lisa, and the second who is asked Lisa. So the first one, how old are you? I'm 24. Do you live in New York? I told you that if the question started with the do or does or any auxiliary verb, we should the answer short answer like yes or no. Do you live in New York? Yes, I do. Where do you work? I work in New York. What time you finished work? What time do you finish your work? I finished my work, or I usually finish work at 6 o'clock. How many jobs do you have? I have 2 jobs. Do you like your jobs? Yes, I do. Why do you like them? Because I love singing and books. What do you do on Sunday? I don't do anything. So we are finished our first practice. Sorry. Do you cook on Sunday? No, I don't. Now, in practice number 5, listen and pronunciation is very important because some of you suffer from weakness of the pronunciation in English language, so you should listen carefully and focus on like this practice. T3.4 Listen and tick the sentence you hear. يعني اللي تسمعها هي الصحيح. Let us listen for the practice.
Tape script 3.4. 1. Lisa, why do you like your job? 2.
Where do you live in New York?
3.
What do you do on Tuesday evenings?
4.
She really loves singing.
5. She eats a lot. 6.
What does she do on Sundays?
Let us listen again to this practice.
Tape script 3.4. 1. Lisa, why do you like your job? 2.
Where do you live in New York?
3.
What do you do on Tuesday evenings?
4.
She really loves singing.
5. She eats a lot. 6.
What does she do on Sundays?
Thank you for listening. Practice talking about you. Practice number 1. Use the words in the box. Here is the box and have many words like who, من. how كيف. what time في أي وقت. do يعمل. where أين. when متى. why لماذا. what ما. these names W H question. okay, use the word in the box to complete the question. اكمال هذه الأسئلة. here we have some questions and match the question and answer. يعني أشر الأجوبة للأسئلة. here we have in this practice two tasks. if you faced like this practice, first of all, fill these blanks to complete the questions. If you complete the question correctly, you will find the other answer to these questions. So, do you go on holiday? Here, where? Where do you go on holiday? Do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? ماذا تعمل يوم الأحد؟ Number 4. When do you do your homework? When? متى? Number 5. Do you live with? هنا تسأل عن العاقل واللي هو who. Do you like your job? هنا why do you like your job? Do you travel to school? How? كيف؟ هنا you go out on Friday evening. Do you go out on Friday evening? Now the blank is full, so we will take another task واللي هي اربط الأسئلة بالأجوبة. So the second one اللي هي where do you go on holiday? To Turkey or Egypt. The third one, what do you do on Sunday? I always relax. 4. When do you do your homework? When I get home. C. 5. Do you live with? اللي هي who do you live with? My mother and brother. 6. Why do you like your job? Because it is interesting. 7. How do you travel to school? Usually by bus. 8. Do you go out on Friday evening? Yes, I do sometimes. Take time, that practice it takes many time or much time. Now here, my trainers, in practice number 4, positives and negatives. المثبت والنفي. Make the sentences opposite. Okay. For example, let's take in the first sentence. She is French. She isn't French. I don't like cooking. I like cooking. Look for this sentence and look for this sentence. This sentence is as a main verb, so use is in negative. And this sentence does not have auxiliary verb, so is add do as auxiliary verb to negative the sentences. So here is delete do and make a sentence as affirmative. Is that correct? She doesn't speak Spanish. She speaks. ترجع لأصل الفعل speaks Spanish. They want to learn English. They take do in negative. They don't want to learn English. We are tired and we want to go to bed. We aren't tired. We aren't tired because it has our auxiliary verb, so we use it in negative and questions. Roberto likes watching football on TV, but he doesn't like playing it. He likes playing it. He likes doesn't is delete doesn't and add as for like. I work at home because I have a computer. I don't work. I don't work at home because I have a computer. Amelia isn't. This sentence has our auxiliary verb is, so is uses it in negative. So Amelia isn't. Amelia is happy because she doesn't. She has a new car. I smoke, I drink, and I go to bed early. He smokes, he drinks, and he go to bed early. Thank you for listening. See you soon.